Good evening, and thank you for joining us. We are going to begin tonight with breaking news. A second vaccine against coronavirus could begin shipping out this weekend after a group of doctors and scientists advising the FDA signed off on it. Now, that decision clears the way for the FDA to officially authorize the new shot for emergency use later tonight or tomorrow, providing millions of additional doses of vaccines to Americans. Now, at the same time, pharmacists say that they've discovered many vials of that Pfizer vaccine are so full that they can get extra doses out of them. The FDA says those extra shots are safe to use, potentially increasing the supply by millions. And it is desperately needed. Tonight, the country has plunged into its darkest period of the pandemic, breaking every horrible record set in a single day since the crisis started. If you think about it, the numbers are simply staggering. More than 3,600 Americans dead, 113,000 in hospitals, and nearly 250,000 people infected, and that's just in 24 hours. The virus is now spreading so fast that cases have more than doubled. That's right, doubled in 2 months, from 8.1 million on October 17th to more than 17 million tonight. Things are now so bad in California that tonight freezer trucks are being turned into morgues and hospitals are completely out of beds, even as one health official there says the worst is still ahead. We have a lot of new reporting for you and your family tonight. Our team is standing by to cover it all. CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti is going to lead off our coverage tonight in hard-hit California. Good evening, Jonathan.
Good evening, Nora. That Moderna vaccine could be a second shot of hope nationwide, especially here in Southern California, where some people have been stuck in ambulances for up to 7 hours as paramedics search for available beds.
In a unanimous decision, the FDA panel says the Moderna vaccine is safe and should get emergency authorization. A final sign-off would allow 6 million initial doses to be shipped across the country. Nowhere is the need more urgent than in California, with more than 100,000 new coronavirus cases in just 2 days. Even more shocking, hospitals in Southern California are now at 0% availability. At Arrowhead Regional Medical Center outside of LA, the ICU beds are full. Patients are now being treated inside these tents.
We're at the point where we no longer could take care of them. We're doing our best.
In LA County, where 1 in 80 people is believed to be contagious with COVID, ambulances are waiting hours outside hospitals to unload patients.
We've had instances where it's been up to 6 and 7 hours.
California's mass fatality plan kicking into high gear. The state buying 5,000 body bags and rolling in 60 refrigerated storage units, which will be used as morgues. Today, healthcare workers at LA's Cedars-Sinai got their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine as the county pushes to vaccinate 6,000 frontline workers by Christmas. Meanwhile, state leaders nationwide are warning people the vaccine won't cure foolish decisions.
It won't cure an attitude of a refusal to wear a mask.
Paul and Rose Blackwell dedicated their lives to education and raising their own 5 children. Paul was a middle school football coach, Rose a bilingual teacher. They both contracted COVID-19 earlier this month. And when it became clear neither would survive, their hospital beds were put together side by side, and they died holding each other's hand.
I've never seen anything like that before. It's hard to even put into words seeing that. They said till death do us part, and that's how that went.
And there are no words for that kind of pain. FEMA is sending in 80 healthcare workers to the state of California, and the governor is calling on the Department of Defense to send in hundreds more for backup. Nora?
Jonathan Vigliotti, thank you.